Hi, my name is Keith, and I'm doing a video on how to factor a trinomial into the product of two binomials. Let's say we have this trinomial, 3x squared plus 7x plus 4. In order to factor this into the product of two binomials, I'm going to use a method called the x method. I draw an x, and I'm going to put numbers in all of these places. The top part of my x is going to be the product of the coefficient of the second power term, which is 3x squared, multiplied times the constant 4, which is 12. So I multiply 3 times 4 and I get 12, and I put that on the top part of my x. Then the bottom part of my x is going to be the coefficient of the x to the 1 power term. That's going to go over here. And I want to know of two numbers whose product is 12 and whose sum adds up to 7. Well, 3 times 4 is 12, and 3 plus 4 is 7. So the two special numbers that I want to use is 3 and 4. So this trinomial can then be factored into, or can be broken down into, I should say, 3x squared plus 3x plus 4x plus 4. Once I find these two special numbers, 3 and 4, then I split the middle term, 7x, into the sum of 3x and 4x, where my 3 and 4 are from here. And then what I do is I factor by grouping. From these two terms, I factor out a 3x. I'm allowed to factor out a 3x. And from here, I can factor out a 4, giving me 4 times x plus 1. Seeing two copies of the same, this is actually an x plus 1, sorry about that. Seeing two copies of the same term, these two copies can fall down into, and it can become one copy. When you see something times something plus something times something, where the two terms that you see here are the same, it becomes one copy, and then the 3x plus 4 falls into its own set of parentheses. And this is the factorization of this trinomial. Thanks for watching.